it's your girl Jules, and I'm back again with another video. So today we're going to be talking about how to start your very own eyelash business in 2020. How to start your eyelash business in 2020. For those of you who are just now thinking of starting an eyelash business. So first and foremost, when you decide to start a business, you need to be thinking about your business name. So when you think about this name, you need to check this name from social medias to legalize the business. You can go on, I think the website is called, I don't know what the website is called, but you can go on the government website and see if your business name is already taken in your state. And you can go on Instagram and see if your business name is already taken. If it is, I probably wouldn't choose it. And please make sure your name is not long. And please make sure that it's something that is centered around what you are selling. Decide on your business logo. If you're planning on keeping this logo for like a very long time, I would get it trademarked, because when you start to get bigger over time, you will have people who do things like take your logos and take your business names and make and steal them and use them for themselves. I'm not really sure why they do that, but they will do it. So make sure that your logo is something that's very distinctive and something that stands out, and make sure that when you get bigger, you trademark your name. Now, the next thing that you want to do is decide on your business colors. This is what's going to represent your brand. Of course, when you first starting out, things are going to change gradually over time, because you'll learn what you like and what you don't like. Do not worry if it's not perfect in the beginning, because even if you think it's perfect in the beginning, it's not. You're going to want to change it soon, or you're going to want to change it months from then, or the seasons change, and you might just change it, okay? Because I know when I first started my business, my brand colors were teal, pink, and white, and now it's a dark hot pink, white, and a light pink. So do not worry if your brand colors change. They will change over time gradually. I have a friend who, when she first started her business, her brand colors were pink and white, and now they are a beige color, and white. So like I said, it can change gradually over time, so do not worry about your brand colors too much. Do not think too hard on it or whatever, because like I said, it's going to change. Now, you want to find a vendor. First thing I'm going to tell you about finding a vendor is be careful, because there are people out there who are scamming to get money. Everybody is not to be trusted. You have to think about buying from online businesses as if you're buying from them in person. So if something sounds way too good to be true, I probably wouldn't go along with it. And do not pay through an outside app other than a website, or do not do that, because chances are those websites, they do things to protect you from being scammed, so you can file suits and stuff like that to get your money back, just in case the person doesn't send you what they need to be sending you right away. Now, when you're looking for a vendor, you want to decide on lengths and styles. And the way that you do that is by sampling the lashes. So the sample may cost $1 or $2 plus shipping, depending on the company or whatever. So when you choose a vendor and when you're sampling these lashes, you need to wear the lashes. So if you don't wear lashes, I probably wouldn't even be selling them. So you need to be wearing these lashes, and I would wear these lashes for weeks and see and count how many times you can re-wear them. I would also ask the vendor what they're made out of. I would also test them out to see how they react after you clean them. So do the hair fall out? Do the hair shed over time? Like, you need to be checking these things before you buy these eyelashes. Do not just buy the eyelashes and then start selling them, because when something happens, your brand name is going to be all over that, and you don't want people to think that. So yeah. Now the next thing that you need to do is determine what you want your packaging to look like. So your packaging, that also may change over time. You may start out with some diamond shaped pink boxes, and then gradually over time it turns into some square shaped boxes, or you may have paper boxes, you may have hardback boxes. You need to be thinking about how you want everything to look in your head. Now the next thing that you want to do is create your website. So your website, you can create your website on Shopify or Big Cartel. If I was starting a website, I would really just start with Big Cartel, because you know, when you first start, you're not going to really begin sales like that, because you have to build brand awareness. And we're going to talk about brand awareness a little bit more in another video or whatever. So like I said, I would start with Big Cartel, and I would start with 5 styles, because the website is for free. And to determine your prices are really going to depend on you. So it depends on how much you want to profit. So if I was buying some lashes, if you're buying lashes for $2, I would sell them for, you got to think about how much you want to profit from it. So, and you got to think about shipping, because shipping, you got to think about shipping and like expenses and stuff like that. So that plays a part in everything. So if I'm buying lashes and my lashes are $2 or whatever, if I spend $2 on my lashes, and my shipping label costs $3, I think that I would want to include that in the price of, so you have to include the prices of the lashes and include the price of the shipping label to ship your items out, because that is going to cost you money as well. So 2 plus 3 is $5. So I think that I would charge $15 for the lashes. Okay, so but you don't say that it's $15. You basically just charge, let's say you charge $13 or $14 for the lashes, and then it's $1 for the shipping label, or you charge $10 for the lashes and $5 for shipping. You see where I'm going with this? That's how you gotta do it, and that's how you're gonna profit from your money. Or charge $30 for the lashes, because honey, that's what white people are doing. Make your guap, shawty. I'm just playing. Don't take me seriously. Anyways, my daughter laughed at me when I said that. But anyways, let's keep going. So, oh yeah, and think about, you also have to think about how much your website is going to cost when you actually do start paying for it. So you want to have those expenses covered as well, because you want to be able to make a profit. So before you even start this business, I think that you should really plan your prices and really plan how everything is gonna plan your expenses and stuff, and plan what you expect to be plan for what you expect to be paying for out of the business. That way you can profit and have money for yourself as well. But of course, you have to promote. But anyways, let's keep going with this video. So the last thing that you want to do is promote your products on your social medias. So if you're good with Twitter, I would use Twitter. If you're good with Instagram, I would use Instagram. But if you're not good with either of those, I would say add YouTube to the mix, because YouTube is different, you know. Do not worry if you don't get the views. All you have to do is create like a link tree, and have your shop in the link tree, and have your YouTube channel listed in the link tree. And so on your YouTube channel, you really just want to be creating different looks for your videos. We're going to talk about how to create a YouTube channel centered around your brand and stuff like that. But you want to be showing people tutorials on how to actually use your lashes, how to clean your lashes, and stuff like that. So, you know, you see where I'm going with this. You see where I'm going? But besides all of that, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. And follow me on Instagram at Poco Beauty Cosmetics. And buy some of my lip gloss. I'm working on adding new products or whatever. But I'm also trying to be more consistent on here. So my upload schedule, I'm trying to get it to where I upload every single day or maybe 5 days a week. But don't quote me on it because I don't really know if that's going to happen, boo-boo. But I'm also working on getting me a tripod so I can upload more. But like I said, if you like this video, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and click the notification bell if you want to know about more business tips and how to start more businesses, because we're going to go more into depth over that. Also, if you see me wearing the same thing in my next video, just know your girl is recording this in one day, because like I said, I'm trying to have a good upload schedule. I'm trying to upload every day for you, okay? I'm trying to. Bye, y'all.